Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new sealed Mac Mini that I picked up for a very cheap price. I got this thing for $225 from someone that had it since 2014 and they never opened it. Not sure if you can see it in the video, but the seal feels worn down due to age, and it is more fragile than average. The seal can easily tear if I grab it too hard, and if that happens it would devalue the item, as it would not be a sealed device. This is a late 2014 model. It consists of 1.5 GHz i5 processor with a turbo boost of 2.7 GHz, a 4 GB onboard DDR3 memory, and a 500 GB hard drive for storage. The video card is a HD Graphics 5000, which consists of 1.5 GB of VRAM. Now, Apple had options for this computer to upgrade the basic models to a Fusion drive, which consisted of a 120 GB SSD and a 1 TB hard drive for an additional $250. This model also has a second display support, which it can use two displays at 2560 by 1600 ratio. The original price for this model was $499 and is still worth the same amount due to the fact that it is hard to find a new one. When I found it, I made an offer for $200 and the seller took it immediately. I believe he was just looking to get rid of it for some extra money. He wasn't too far from me. You can find this on eBay still sealed for about $500 for a similar model to the one that I have. I think it's pretty neat if I add this item to my collection. It also might be worth more money later in the future. The Mac Mini is definitely a computer that doesn't take up much space. All you need is an external monitor. Unfortunately, in late 2014, Apple started to solder the memory onto the logic board. You cannot upgrade it if you wanted to. This computer is great for day-to-day use, but to run programs such as editing or gaming, I would not suggest it, because especially since the latest 2014 models cannot be upgraded. That's it guys. I wanted to show you this Mac Mini because it was brand new and it's a rare find. I don't think I'm ever going to open it. I either will sell it or keep it for my collection. I will be making a video of my collection in the future. Most of it are iPods and iPhones. Till then, see you next time.